All right. Double fingers, huh? What's up? It's Prospector Feel, and I'm gonna put my coin roll hunting project on the side here. Gotta give me something to do out in the woods. Not right now, it's getting dark. So, got two videos here, and I'm just gonna do one, then I'll do the second one, but they kind of overlap. So, this video we're gonna show you the Vienna sausage, and this one's barbecue flavor. Oh, barbecues. And the sauce in here is really good. These are all the same. They just freaking throw different sauces in there. So I'm gonna show you how to take these and make them taste so much better. And I know some people like them plain, slice them up, put them on a sandwich, whatever. But these are awesome out in the woods, because it's 50 cents a can and it's a whole meal pretty much. So we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna, in the next video, we're gonna take a crusty t-shirt and we're gonna turn it into char cloth with the empty can. So the char cloth, if you don't know, is awesome when you're out in the woods for starting fire. And this stuff will take a spark like nothing else. So that'll be the next video. We're gonna need that can to do that and the grubby t-shirts. But right now, all we're gonna do is show you how to take Vienna sausages and make them taste a whole lot better. And it's kind of funny because, I mean, they're like little mini hot dogs. So guess what? Out in the woods, grab yourself a willow, file down the end, and then you can either roast it over the fire. I don't have mine going yet tonight. I should, but I don't. Or you can just take your little stove and roast it right over the stove. So that's what we'll do. And this makes them taste, oh my gosh, they taste so much better. Now, if you're gonna make char cloth, you don't really want to bend the top because we're gonna need that later. So you gotta be a little bit careful as when you open it. Oh, barbecues. I'm gonna lick that off. That one goes in the mouth. And slice the tongue. Don't slice your tongue on that, that's a bad idea. And my stove's a little bit janky. Gotta use pliers on it. So I'm just gonna get the flame going. And then this right here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna lick off the sauce real quick. I don't want it dripping everywhere. I can always dip it in the sauce later. And I'm just gonna roast this just like a hot dog. And you gotta trust me on this. It makes them taste so much better. I mean, they're fine anyway. And when you're out in the woods, it's like, that's a super, ow. Oh, dang it. Well, I'm sorry, I just got bit by a bug. Well, look, that just roasted it faster. I had a bug land right on my wrist and just dig in. Do it over here so I don't burn my stick too much. But like I was saying, I like Vienna sausage anyway. But this is the difference between a raw hot dog and a cooked hot dog in the Vienna sausage world. And when you're out in the woods and you got a cheap meal that's gonna last in the heat without refrigeration, and you can just cook it up real quick. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's freaking awesome. And the barbecue one, oh yeah, total new favorite. So let me just roast this real quick. Looks like it's taken longer than it would over a regular fire, and I'm setting my stick on fire here. This might be a bad idea. I should just do it over the fire. That's funny. Whatever, it's working. It'll get there in a second or two. Ow, dang bog. It's getting there. Okay, this sets my stick on fire. That's not a good plan. Whatever. Give me a second, I'm gonna finish roasting this. Oh my gosh. I totally need the bug spray right now. I'm getting eaten alive. But look. Ow, dang it. Okay, I got the end a little bit crispy. But hold on. Now here's the awesome part. This is what makes them taste really good. So you've got it roasted. I didn't get that side too well. Got the rest of it, and it's starting to pop off. Take a bite. Then a little bit of sauce. And there's enough sauce in there. Oh my gosh. That's freaking awesome. Oh, this is, as far as I've found, this is like the best way to do Vienna sausage, especially if you're out where I am in the woods, because they last a long time. 50 cents for a meal. Half a meal. Dang it. Oh my gosh. Wow. No, that's awesome. That will redefine what you think of Vienna sausage. Difference between a raw hot dog and a cooked one. It's totally awesome, and I did it on the propane stove. It's actually it's a lot better over a fire. I don't have mine going. It's not quite cool enough yet, but gosh darn it, I gotta start spraying myself now. I must be stinking really good out here, huh? Everything wants a piece of me. But oh yeah, so quick video. That's the way you can take a super cheap meal and barbecue. Double thumbs up. And I could do double thumbs up, because that's just 50 cents. And out here, food rocks. So that's it. That's how you can take Vienna sausages, turn them into something that is way better than where they start. I like them anyway, but you roast them and it's a lot better. So that's it. Second video. Let's go to that real quick. Just spend a second on this. We're gonna take this crusty shirt and the lid, and as soon as I'm done roasting the rest of these, and we're gonna turn it into char cloth. So that'll be the next video. These cans, they're really super handy. So as soon as I finish my dinners, I'm gonna start the second video, and that one we'll have to do overnight and then do the rest in the morning. Show you how you can make char cloth just with a can, some cotton, and a fire. So thanks again for watching. Appreciate, love you guys. Thumbs up, subscribe, and got a lot more on the way. Thanks again. Bye-bye. All right, quick update. This is how you really make them taste better. Get yourself an open flame and roast that puppy. I mean, propane, meh, it works. But this, oh my gosh, you guys, you gotta try it. If you don't like Vienna sausage, you will after you do this. I could do the grandma thing and just throw it right in there, but I won't. Burns it to a crisp and is like, okay, it's done. I'm like, gee, thanks, Grandma. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, I'll stop the video. But this is the way to do it. And oh my gosh, it makes them taste so much better. Like I said, they're good anyway, but like 100 times better when you roast them. Yay. Okay, bye-bye.